Hi everyone, welcome to Metric Tree Labs video series. Today we're going to cover Webpack. Webpack is the most widely used bundling tool. Bundlers allow us to package, compile and organize the many assets and libraries needed for a modern web project. In this tutorial, we'll see how to write modules, bundle code and use some of the loader plugins. This tutorial is designed for total beginners to Webpack, but having some JavaScript knowledge is advised. So we'll start by creating an empty folder and run the npm init inside the folder. This will create an npm scaffold which we can use to run npm commands. We don't need these values, so keep it as it is. Now we are going to install Webpack and Webpack CLI using npm. I'm using VS Code. We'll start it using the command code dot. Then we want a webpack config.js file. It consists of two parts, the entry point to our JS file and the output path to export our bundle. Here we specify the entry point, which is src/index.js, and the output path. So the file name is bundle.js. Now we'll set up our app's entry point, create an src folder in our out directory, and create an index.js file. Just to show it as loading, we are logging an output. This will load whatever index.js loads. Now to start bundling our src folder, we need to edit our package.json file, and build and watch scripts will take care of this. Webpack -p option will minify and make our code ready for production, and Webpack --watch option will observe any changes in our file and then bundles it in real time. Run the command npm run watch to watch all the files inside src folder for any changes. When a change occurs, Webpack will incorporate the relevant changes in our bundle. Then we need an HTML file hook to host and run our bundle. I'm using mn for quick scaffolding for an HTML page, and attach our bundle.js in our index.html page. I'm using PHP as my server, and in our web browser, load the page. We check the out of the console of the page. We can see the load, and our page works. The project consists of one file and is not much like a real-world JS app. To make this, we're adding one more file, create a new file in our src folder, and export the function from the file. Call this function create.
writes "Have a good day" to our web console. Then import in our index file. Webpack supports import required and most of all JS. So we don't have to worry about it. Import it to our entry point and call the function that we've exported from read.js file. As we can see, it works. Now we're going to import a package to our function to make it more realistic. We're going to install moment.js, a date parser package to our grid.js file. As we did before, we import the moment.js library in our JS file.
Moment.js will return today's date and date.format will format the output as we configure. Now we'll append the date to our log. If we refresh our web page, we can see that the log has changed and it now displays the day. So if we look in our bundle.js inside the dist folder, we can see a minified JS file that includes every package function that's imported in index.js and its children. We've only linked our bundle.js file to our page and it loads every action that we've imported. So simply, Webpack takes away the burden of handling multiple files in our page and minimizes the load of our app. That's the core of Webpack and is the actual working of Webpack in today's real-world JavaScript apps. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and for more videos and tutorials like this, hit like and subscribe.